When writing a novel, consistency is key. However, maintaining coherence across hundreds of pages can be daunting. Claude Fable 5 offers powerful tools to help you master safety handling, ensuring your story remains error-free and engaging. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to leverage these features to improve your writing experience. To start, let's launch Claude Fable 5. You can find it by searching for Claude Fable 5 in your browser or by clicking on its icon if you have it installed. Once Claude Fable 5 is open, let's set up our project. Click on File and then New Project to start. Choose the template that best fits your novel's genre and style, and configure your project settings as needed. Claude Fable 5 allows you to create detailed character profiles and track their development throughout your story. This helps you maintain consistency in their actions and dialogue, ensuring your characters feel real and believable. As you write, Claude Fable 5 can help you detect plot holes and flag inconsistencies. This ensures that your story remains coherent and engaging, with no loose ends or contradictions. One common mistake authors make is forgetting to update their character profiles as the story evolves. This can lead to inconsistencies and plot holes. Claude Fable 5 helps you avoid this by prompting you to update profiles when necessary. By following these best practices and using Claude Fable 5's features, you can master safety handling and ensure your novel is error-free and engaging. Remember to regularly review your character profiles, track plot developments, and flag inconsistencies as you write.